You know what, guys? I am not even surprised. I am not even surprised. The Hudson's Bay is being turned into a Spirit Halloween. I love how all the original HBC signage is still up, so it looks like it's actually part of the Hudson's Bay store, but yeah. I am actually super excited for this. Like, bitch. This is literally incredible. This is amazing. It's opening on Tuesday, I believe, so yeah. That is going to be super freaking exciting. Yep. How freaking cool is this? Fucking mall security and their goddamn teleporters. I swear to God, they just appear out of nowhere. But yeah, look how cool it looks in there. They're going for a whole New York City subway theme this year. You can see the train and the station platform. Like, oh my God, this is incredible, guys. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. This is going to be fun. Like, seriously, those fuckers just pop out of nowhere. At this point, I think they're onto me, but maybe you should actually do your job and not hunt down people filming and maybe try to stop shoplifters. But no. They will let the people actually committing a crime just get away scot-free, but the man with the camera, oh hell no. Oh hell no. So yeah, back on topic though. I am super fucking excited for Spirit Halloween. Normally, they went to the abandoned Markswork warehouse at Smart Centers, but yeah, I bet the foot traffic here at Cambridge Center is a lot better. Should you get yourself a nice cap, Andrew? Yeah, keep walking, girlfriend. Keep walking. Okay, guys, I am back. almost took 15 minutes just to get that drink. There was just one guy working, and these motherfuckers came and like ordered like 9 different drinks. I don't know if they're doing like some sort of catering order or whatever, but yeah. That place is too loud. It used to be a hockey rink. Yeah, it got loud once in a while, but the squealing tires and all that shit, it's fucking nasty. You can't even just enjoy a meal anymore. It's that bad. It is legitimately that bad. Hopefully there's not 6 million seagulls this time, because I do not have the money to get those poor bastards a snack until next Friday. It's so depressing. Who misses Sears? I know, random question, but who does miss Sears? Don't get me wrong, Sears was like iconic as fuck, but it wasn't as impactful as something like Zehrs or something. And Sears was mostly apparel, and honestly, I don't think any child / teenager likes going clothes shopping. Oh, fuck! I feel so bad now! Look at all of them! Do I have to go back in there and get them something? No, I can't. I literally only have $3 left to my name until the end of the month. I'm so sorry, guys. I am so sorry. Really? Really? I fed you last week, assholes! You fucking dicks! No, that was more like 2 weeks ago, but still! I thought what we had was special! You jerks! Fucking delusional assholes. You know what? I'm gonna go find something in like the Zehrs bakery, like a cheap loaf of bread or something. Because I feel like a dick now. Even though they are giving me the goddamn cold shoulder. Like, seriously. Seriously. I thought I was more important to them. I know you can't see that very well, but that's a building permit. So it means they're about to renovate this bad bitch. Which they shouldn't, because these OG Zehrs are awesome. I don't know if you've seen the interior of the newer ones, but they're all just boring as hell. So I have a feeling this one might be why can I talk? I have a feeling this one might be renovated to resemble the one on Weber Street. When it starts, I will be the first to know because my dad literally lives across the street from here, so yeah. Because they're getting rid of the whole Zehrs market aesthetic. They're just calling it the Zehrs. Which is kind of evil. Like, this wasn't the Zehrs from my childhood. That was a lot older, but this was like the mid 2000 to 2012 renovation cycle. Like, I think it started like in 2008, then pretty much all of them looked like this after 2012. What's the cheapest bread they have? No Name White. That'll do.
Grocery coffee was repeat, grocery coffee was ready.
Looks like they're getting things started too. Ugh. Well guys, I'm gonna pay for all this stuff and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, we got our stuff. Yeah. Yeah, they just renovated it back in 2012. I know that's only 13 years, but I don't know. They're just going for the whole great boring aesthetic and they're trying to get rid of the whole orange look to things. Because apparently having anything fun and colorful in the 2020s is a crime punishable by death. It's fucking bullshit. Yeah, if you want to see what I'm talking about, watch my two-parter walking video on Weber Street, and we walk past the Zehrs that's all gray and boring, so yeah, bitch. All it said was interior alterations, new fire alarm systems, all that, which usually means major renos. Ah, fuck my bread! No! Oh shit! I think they noticed. It's not even open yet, you savages! It's not even open yet! Fine! You fucking savages! You fucking savages! I can't believe I just bought a whole loaf of bread for the birds because I felt quote unquote bad. Look, he just flew away. He's flying away with it. Yeah, let's head over to Zehrs now. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? these guys here. I am the bringer of chaos! You crazy savages. He's flying away with it. You can see his beak. Ah, that's too close for them. Do you guys want it? Oh, he got it! He got it! More for you guys, I guess. Oh, nope, they're all coming back. They're all coming back. Oh, he just stole his! He just stole his! You want some? Okay, we only have 2 slices left after this one. I like how some of them just try to take parts off of it and the others just fly away with the whole fucking slice. Okay, I got 2 more guys. There he goes with the whole fucking slide. Okay, there you can have some over there. That's all I have, guys. That's all I have. They keep staring at me. They make me feel guilty. You fuckers are making me feel guilty. You know that. there was literally 0 seagulls in the Zehrs parking lot till now. I know, guys. I know you guys are hungry. Okay, I know that was $2 I didn't have and I wasn't supposed to spend, but okay, this was worth it. This was fucking worth it. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. He just picked up something and that guy was about to attack him because they're all dicks. The problem is, though, we domesticated these fuckers. Same with the pigeons. Like, they wouldn't be able to survive without humans. We did this to them and we complain about them. Like, if we just left them alone to do their own things, they wouldn't be like this, but if it wasn't for us, all the freaking domestic scavengers would just die. It's kind of depressing in its own way. But yeah. Guys, I'll be back with you in a few minutes. I'm just gonna chill here, finish my ice cap, and we will continue from there. So, see y'all bitches. What the fuck are you looking at, Mojo? If I want to feed seagulls, I will feed goddamn seagulls. Do you understand that? You stupid prick. I don't know why I just called my voodoo doll a stupid prick, but I did. Big truck, big man. More like small man. Whew. Bye, guys. Goodbye, you beautiful birds. I love ya. I love you, motherfuckers. Yeah, I went from not being able to feed the seagulls to wasting $2 to feed the seagulls to finding out that Zehrs could possibly be renovated to yelling at a voodoo doll in a span of 15 minutes. Bitch. That's pretty good even for my standards. Hey bitches. Hey bitches. Why didn't you guys come over? Why didn't you guys come over? Get back here, you son of a bitch. Did that fucking asshole in the truck just run through all the seagulls? Yeah, it doesn't look like any of them were hurt, thank God, but could you have taken a different route, douchebag? What a fucking asshole you are. You and your big fucking truck thinking you rule the world and you just get to go plow through a bunch of innocent seagulls? Oh yeah, they're all moving, they're fine, but just the fact that he couldn't take a 2-second detour through the goddamn parking lot because he drives a truck. Fucking can't stand people that do shit like that to animals. Everybody's always like, Andrew, why do you give truck drivers such a fucking bad rep? That's why. You're only fucking driving them because you have a small dick. That's why. Fucking low-life losers. Like, seriously. Don't let that put you in a bad mood, Andrew. It's not freaking worth it. It's not worth it, Andrew. It is not worth it. Literally, you could have just went around the parking lot. That's all I'm saying. You know how freaking easy that could have been? Don't know if you can see that, but that looks like an ion bus in the garage. Yes, I know. I go from yelling at fucking pathetic truck drivers to bus goes vroom vroom beep beep. Wonderful. Alrighty, bitches. I am back. I do apologize about the cutaway, but the sun was shining directly into my eyes when I was why can I talk? When I was walking back to the front of the mall. So, yeah. It was either a cutaway or you listening to me complain about plane times for 10 minutes. So, yeah. Goddamn. I can't wait for Spirit. That's going to be awesome. I honestly didn't think I was going to be able to get back in HBC so quickly. But it looks like we are. And the whole New York subway themed store this year. Oh boy. That's going to be fucking sick. Combining both of my two greatest passions together, urbex and transit. Woo! I am so turned on right now. I am kidding, partially, maybe. You know what? I probably should shut my mouth at this point because I'm just digging a hole. But, yeah. I was just gonna cut through the mall again, but it closes at 6 on Saturdays for some reason. I don't know why they close earlier on weekends. Wouldn't it be most busy on weekends? I'm not sure. But it's how they've always done it. What fucking time is it? $6:11. So yeah, bus leaves Cambridge Center at 6:30 and Why can't I think suddenly? My math isn't mathing right now. So yeah, I have about 20 minutes to chill. Pretty good timing. Pretty good timing indeed. Whew. Ion bus. So, with that beautiful ion bus out of the way, I guess it's a good time to end her off then. So guys, I guess if you like what you saw, please consider joining the Empire by liking and subscribing. If you absolutely fucking hated it, there's a button down there for you too. And my friends, like always, live life to the absolute fullest. And goodbye, you glorious motherfuckers.